Oh, sorry about that. I meant to do it all in one video, but this spring right here, right here, focus. There we go. Got caught in the little tiny hole I didn't know about right here. Oh, great. Right there. So, but this is what's inside. 5 regular key pins and 4 spool pins and 1 serrated, but it only has 2 serrations in it, so it didn't do much when I picked it. Didn't even notice it. Focus there. That's how tiny they are. Okay, I'll try to get better at the filming, and thanks for watching. Alright.